What's up guys, Denise and I are in Byron Bay, Northern New South Wales. Driving in, it is packed for parking, so we're out here in the free parking area. We are gonna walk into the town now and get some brunch because we are starving, and then we're gonna figure out what to do for the rest of the day. This is Denise when she's really hungry. She gets agitated. So we can't start filming anything until she eats something and has her coffee.
I need to eat.
But luckily she's had her coffee. Where is it?
It's still not enough.
There it is.
It's not enough. I need some nutritionist food.
Unfortunately, we arrived a little late, so we're not able to get breakfast anymore. There's a 1 hour time difference between Queensland and New South Wales. We're just here for the day from the Gold Coast. You know, trying to do a day trip at least every weekend, get some footage. You know, see another part of Australia, satisfy that travel bug. And yeah, today we're in Byron Bay. It's past midday now, so we can finally order lunch. So yeah, and then afterwards we're gonna explore a little bit, go to some of the photo spots, and hopefully have a great day.
He meant beautiful spots, not photo spots.
What can I say? My head's in the photography video game, you know? Gotta get them shots, yo.
Take them shots, yo.
You're in such a sassy mood today.
Yeah.
Shots there, hopefully, on the rocks here. Nobody else, thankfully. But accidentally stepped in some red shit. I don't know what that is. I hope it's not poo. Time to rinse off. Alright, so the beach was too windy for vlogging, obviously. But we found this cool little railway station. It goes to North Beach. I don't know what's there, but there might be some cool stuff there. And Denise and I saw the train. Did I just step on your foot? I can't vlog and see where my feet are going at the same time. Come on.
That's why you stepped in red shit.
Denise is still in her lovely mood from this morning. But yeah, we saw this nice heritage train from before. And I thought it was just like a replica or something, but it's actually still running. So we're gonna hop on board and see what it's like. Back at the Byron Bay station. We actually got off at the upper end, but there wasn't much there, so just decided to come straight back. And now is such a hot day and we need a beverage, so we're on our way to the brewery. Wait, how do you pronounce it?
Brewery.
Brewery. For some reason I can't pronounce that word, but we're going there.